What is going on, YouTube? Today we have something different for you. This is a 98 Chevy Silverado. It's actually a K2500 series, and we got the big 454 big block here, 7.4 liters. Lucky for you guys, my tensioner broke. Anyways, we're gonna keep going on with that, and I'll show you how to do that. First, we're gonna take off these bolts here on the fan shroud, and as you can see, there's these little tabs. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly pull them out. You don't have to do this, but sure will make it a lot easier. You don't even have to take the fan shroud out, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it just so you guys can see what's going on. There you go, it's out. So I'll also be replacing the belt. But anyway, this is your tensioner right here. As you can see, mine is pretty bad. So what we're gonna do is there's a little 3/8 indentation right there. And I'm just gonna grab my 3/8 little breaker bar right here. And we're just gonna put it on that notch right there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna push it that way to loosen it up. The whole thing came out with no spring, so yeah, it was pretty bad. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna put a 13mm socket right there and just loosen that up. Mine's been here for quite a couple years, so I'm gonna put a little pry bar there. Just pry it a little, just like that, and grab whatever's left of it if the same thing happened to yours. There you go. By the way, here's a spring that goes inside of it. See, mine was really messed up. So anyway, so this is the new parts. Here's my belt, and this is my tensioner. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on. This one came with a new bolt. Anyway, we'll throw that on. I'll just show you real quick. There's a little indentation right there. That's where this piece will go, the tensioner. Go ahead and line that up, and then put your new bolt through it. For those of you that like torquing stuff down, this is torque down to 37 foot-pounds. And by the way, I'm gonna try to start providing the torque specs. I know some of you guys like that. I'm gonna go ahead and loop around my new belt. For those of you that already forgot how it goes, got a little diagram right there. Go ahead and take a picture, pause the video, whatever you need to do. Once you got your belt all the way looped around, the only one you're gonna leave out is this part right here. So as soon as I push that down with my breaker again, we're gonna go ahead and loop it right under. And that's it. Just make sure it's looped around right everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick check. So far, so good. And we're good. So that's pretty much it. This is a really simple job. The only thing obviously you need to do is put your fan shroud back. But other than that, everything's good to go. Alright, thanks guys. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Share this video, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and we'll see you next time.